working so hard.
Bro, chill. Don't know what I'm looking at, man.
What do you get?
Bro, check this out. Good old American cheeseburger. Oh, it's got French fries on it? What? Surprise, surprise. If I had known, I wouldn't have ordered it. All right, let's get her done. We're gonna wide body, put the wheels on it, tires on it, align it, everything tonight.
Oh, we got a long night ahead of us.
No, there's no way that's happening. Getting it on the lift is gonna take 30 minutes. Looks like almost the exact same size as my factory rear.
So everything is Whiteline?
Yeah, it all came in a kit. Shout out to Jeff Stonebeck, again, from Turn 14, for hooking me up. It wasn't free. Don't get it twisted. This is expensive. Prefer current catalog. I don't know if this is the front or the rear. It's like shout out to Whiteline.
How you expect us to get any sponsorship?
I'm just kidding, that's a whack logo, and it's a whack name, or whack font. Okay, these are some nice bags. This looks like look how easy that was to open.
Oh.
I said, what, bitch? Get out of my way. Okay, you trying to stay? Huh? Huh? Huh, me? All right, so today we're gonna be replacing this with that. Paint. Trash can. Top of the trash can. That's the one. Now, what is it? Is it a 14? Wow. I'm not a mechanic. I look at 10 mil bolts all day.
10 and 12.
10 mil means 10 millimeter. For you standard people. It's all about that metric. All right, here's a 14. Good old 14. Good old Japanese car. American. I mean, I don't think I've ever bought an American car in my life. I might lose too many torques here. Wait, what am I doing? I want to take this off first. I'm so stupid. I'm so silly, guys.
So step 1.
Remove your sway bar end link. Step 2, remove all these weird bolts. Look at that. Low life. Low life. Low life. A lot of those bolts.
How many are there?
No, there's 4 on each side.
And you're not using any PD blaster.
Nope, I just use the torque of this snap-on.
Well, why not?
Let me show you how the other side's done, because this will take a whole 30 seconds. 1. Of course. Of course.
You got 15 seconds.
That's it. Watch your head. What are you stuck on? How much time do I have?
What happened here, sir?
My nuts got stuck. But don't worry, I got them back.
You want to show the crowd your quality welds?
Go ahead. I welded that at 10 o'clock at night with a MIG welder upside down that was broken with the diffuser still attached. Those are all excuses. I should have taken it off and done it the right way.
I think you missed a couple spots.
Nah, that's how you get horsepower. Little known secret, we don't like to tell people about that, but I'll let you guys know. And just this one time, it'll be free.
That's not even your permanent setup, is it?
No, I'll probably end up getting the ISR rear because I have the ISR front, but they just didn't have it in stock. So I was like, screw it, I'll make this piece of trash. That is a Greddy exhaust from a FD RX-7.
Was it from the green one that used to be here? Or
Nope, from Tim's.
Didn't even know Tim had an RX-7.
Yeah, I hit a black one with gold, something cool wheel that I don't know about. They think it's cool, but expensive wheels are for losers. Shout out to Ambit. I need some wheels. I just said Ambit because I know that they sponsor a bunch of YouTubers and I want free wheels. That would be great. Or Varstone. Varstone, we need to get Varstone on YouTube. They used to make all the best knockoff wheels. Whatever. Just junk it. You got your 2 nuts. If you don't know what to do with them, chuck them. So are we just deciding that the longer ones go on the back, the shorter ones go on the front? Is that what we're doing here?
Yeah, I mean, theoretically, compared to what the OEM ones were, why not? And since they don't.
So these all just came in one giant bag with instructions. And it tells you about sway bar end links, but it doesn't tell you which one is for what. And they both have the same part number on them, Z5146. I thought that these ones had Z5 on them. No, they don't have, never mind, those aren't the part numbers. They're the exact same instructions. They don't tell you which one's front or which one's rear. And this says code Z320. This is Z33. And then this says Celica. So these are definitely for the rear. I have no idea what that's for. But, oh wait. We have another set of instructions in here. Uh-oh. Hold up. We got another set of the same instructions. Grease-free technology, but not lubricant-free. What? It's got Whiteline. Get your act together. What is this? More trash. What is this? Do not be a sway bar end link. Oh, that's to lock the sway bar from moving left and right. Oh.
Well, there goes our first informational thing.
Okay, that's the first thing that we found out that is of any use. But why doesn't the OEM use that? Or does it? Okay, so we're gonna start with the rear. We're gonna go with the long end links because the rear end links are longer than the front. And then these are obviously for the rear. Or is that obvious? Or are these even for the rear? Wait, yes. This is obviously for the rear.
It looked like it was
okay,
rear.
no, it's definitely rear. We're retarded because there's no way that that's gonna fit on that. Let's get to work. This looks like a janky ass bushing. It looks like I put a Dremel in there. No, dude, this is grease-free technology. But don't forget your lubricant. Honestly, I have no idea. I'm putting lubricant on all of this.
What is that? It's like cloth in here?
I guess so it doesn't make noise.
Dude, it actually feels interesting.
I'd sleep in there.
Imagine we made it's like cashmere almost.
Cashmere.
It is.
Cashmere.
No, it's cashmere.
No, it's not.
It definitely is cashmere because
It's spelled like that. That's not how it's pronounced.
You gotta have cash to have it, so it's
Hold up, guys.
Cashmere. You're enjoying yourself a little too much, sir.
What? I'm that cashmere.
Hey, you saying it right? It's cashmere.
Lube it all up.
Do they say to do that?
Nope, but that's what I would do. We're gonna take these off. We're gonna transfer them onto here. Actually, we just need to transfer these
because you got
onto the new end links. And then we're gonna put this one at full stiff. We want the rear super stiff. We're gonna put the front at full soft. I want the rear to slide around. I want the front to have grip. And my front coilovers are super stiff now that I had to adjust them all the way up. And since they're not height adjustable, they're only preload adjustable. So now my front's super stiff. So I don't want to add any more stiffness to the front. So we're gonna do the front as soft as possible, which is still 20% stiffer than stock. And then the rear, we're gonna do as stiff as possible so I have absolutely no grip.
Brett, I like your little station you got here, man.
This is, yeah.
For one,
It's a sweet setup. It's the best we got. It's the most we can afford.
it's not a trash can, it's a recycle bin. And this is the same exact recycling bin I got in my house.
Do you know the only way that we can upgrade this?
How?
Patreon. You didn't see that one coming?
I sure as hell didn't.
Hey guys, go find us on Patreon if you want to support what we do.
Look at Greg doing stuff backwards. You don't never like to be functional. You just.
I'm just gonna think of the most ratchet thing that I can think of when you say that.
Don't worry, bro. You need a hand? I would love to help out.
No, I'm good.
Nah, you need help. You're not good. Alright, so what you do here is you line everything up. And then you drink your magic juice. Always make sure your pinky stay up.
Stay woke.
Stay woke. Pinky game is everything.
You didn't even help.
I did. I'm here for moral support.
What? I'm just.
Oh, I thought you said it was trash.
Oh, I thought that these washers were here for a reason. I think that I brought these this morning actually.
You ain't fooling me.
Why are you following me?
Because you forgot to put the washer
Get
on.
away from me. Okay, so I'm gonna say that it goes the nut on the end of the end link, then washer, and then your sway bar, and then this nut. They give you 4 nuts, or 4 washers per sway bar. So if I had to guess, the washers would go on this nut side and not this nut side, because look at the surface area that this nut is gonna contact your sway bar. So I'd say washer, then sway bar, and then nut. Simple as that. Come on guys, get your lives together.
Guys, Sir Dumbaliath had forgot to put all his washers on, so guess who's here to save the day? Real smart, Greg. Real smart. So how did the rear go, sir?
Oh, cakewalk. Super easy, no mistakes, you know, the usual.
But in the meantime, high five, we just hit 14K.
14,000 subs. Just hit 10,000 subs not too long ago. So thanks guys.
Welcome back.
Still a long ways to go. What's going on right now?
It probably doesn't go there.
No, I just test fit both sides. Driver side, passenger side. All right, let's go. Back to the trash can. If only
Recycle bin.
If only we had Patreon subscribers so we could move away from this trash bin. Maybe.
Does it work?
Hey.
Any tips for them young kids out here that want to tackle this assignment on their own?
Reference Google so you can figure out which way the end links go in. The front
I got reference Google. You better just show them.
Oh, okay. Let me grab my end link. Well, it's weird on here because it's not a factory lower control arm. It goes on the exact same way, but if you look at a picture, or if you're looking at your lower control arm and you don't have these lowers, then you won't know. Oh, and next weekend, we might not be going to Cars and Coffee. We might go to Club Loose in New Jersey instead, because Drift Nirvana was canceled. Oh wait, we didn't even mention that either. Drift Nirvana this Sunday was canceled because we got like what, 6 inches of snow.
Stupid Maryland weather.
Yep, it was 60 degrees and then we got 6 inches of snow. So they canceled the event and we were all really excited to go. So we're gonna go to Club Loose instead. Next Saturday.
Hence why we're doing all the suspension parts now, because
yeah, so basically we're at the wide body, the Z, do the sway bars,
wheels,
swap the tires. I got a thermostat, oxygen sensors. Some quality bars here though.
Test the stability.
They look real fancy.
Alright, passes.
Alright, so the rears are done. Full stiff for maximum slide, no grip. And then the fronts, I guess full soft. I don't really know how I want to adjust these. I might end up making them tight. I'm not 100% sure. They don't really explain that very well in the directions.
I mean, they really don't explain nothing in the directions, to be honest.
Yeah, no. But who cares? The front's whatever. We'll see how stiff it is because my coilovers are max stiff right now. But yeah, it's a quick little video. And then Sunday, we'll actually have a full length video. And Sunday's just gonna be crazy because Sunday's gonna be welding the two front end on the Datsun, wide bodying this, swapping my tires, thermostat, oxygen sensor.
Finish bagging the 2002.
Finish bagging the 2002.
So that means you're gonna have to do some recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably record me doing all the Z stuff. He's gonna be too busy.
I'm gonna find a way.
She gonna find a way. So, next Saturday, not Hunt Valley Horsepower.
Yeah, we're not
That's
gonna make
what
it
it's
a
called.
Cars and Coffee. Club Loose, we coming. So if anybody's going there, let us know.
Yeah.
Meet up.
And Q&A next week. Well, I guess that'll be Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll have to do something during the week, but hit 14K. Thank you guys once again. Let's keep it up. Let's try to get to 20K by end of the month. That would be so freaking awesome. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, like, comment.
Oh, we're getting 20K by the end of the month.
With their help by hitting that button. Ring that bell.
Somebody crashed into my car too, guys. It's messed up.
We out. It's been a long day.
Bye.
Yeah, hey, I'm going mad alert. What's in my bag alert? She said that has dessert. Hold the purse, you gotta serve. Humble but cop the bag. Humble but pop the tag. Summa cum lottie dad. Sooner come thotty back. All cause I sip the pass. Here's the gag, she choking on gas. She let me inside of my mask.